The one and only hill station of Gujarat, Saputara, compensated the loss by its very profound richness of scenic beauty. Saputara means the abode of serpents. It is 164 kilometers by road from the richest city of Gujarat, Surat. It is nicely developed by state government as the finest hill resort, situated right in the heart of densely thick forest of Dang's district. The route to Saputara passes through one of the most luxuriantly forested area, located at a height of nearly 875 meters on the second highest plateau of Sahyadri Mountains. A hill station with difference is on the southern tip of Gujarat, which is folded into densely wooded hills. The land here is still pretty much the way Almighty created it. According to the available records of our Purans, Lord Ramchandra spent at least 11 years of his exile here in this beautiful forest with his equally beautiful wife Sita, the daughter of earth. The place Sitavan reminds us of the history of the period of great epic Ramayana. According to other references, the heroes of Mahabharata, the Pandav, also had resided over there in this beautiful and peaceful place. The caves, known as the Pandav cave, gives the proof. The way leading to these caves is adorned by the unparalleled art of local people residing in this remote forest area. The people of Saputara region. The tribals living around these areas have very simple lifestyle. They are ardently attached with their surroundings and depend upon the forest for their livelihood and daily needs. They worship their god. The snack during their auspicious festivals of Holi and Vash, Darsh hold on the bank of river Sarpaganga. The region of Dang is inhabited by tribes like Bhil, Kunbis, Warlis and Gamits. They are known for their dances which they perform wearing masks made out of bamboos and wood. Maximum temperature at the height of summer touching just 35 degrees. The worth visiting places. Overlooking the lush green valley and surrounded by several hills, Saputara provides some fine observation points to see the sunrise and sunset. There is also an eco point, and your call is reverberated. And re-reverberated by the hills. A beautiful lake provides us an opportunity for boating. Boats are available on rent. Long walks along the beautiful lake are some of the treats of this uncluttered and simple hill station. The more adventurous people can trek down to nearby villages, the Hardgad Fort or the legendary Pandav caves. The hill station does not require any local transport. It is best covered on foot. Some of its highlights are a small museum with a tribal theme displaying the lifestyle, ornaments and musical instruments of the tribes of Dang. There is also a workshop making some of the traditional displays. The second museum attributed to the sweet memory of the then assistant collector, Mr. Winchester, who had been taken keen interest in the primary stages of development of Surat city. It is worth visiting for its beautiful collections. A 10-minute ride straddles the valley to the sunset point. The comfortable coupe is safe and ideal for a family. The view from the halt midway is breathtaking, unforgettable on a moonlit night. Refreshments available at Sunset Point and at the Veti restaurant. A bird's eye view of the valley, a somewhat adventurous climb of 1.5 kilometers. a lovely view of the sunset over the entire valley. Visitors can climb or use the ropeway to approach the point. The Echo Point over here provides a great fun as well as deep sense of satisfaction. Artist Village. Visitors can pick up pretty pieces of pottery, jewelry, vases, paintings, pen stands, keychains, all made from bamboo chips and other locally found material. Children can learn to make simple items in the workshop organized by these craftsmen. The Lake Garden, Step Garden, the Rose Garden offer scenic places for the tourist to laze in while walking around Saputara. The forest, known by the name of the most pious and faithful lady of ancient history, Sita, is worth seeing because of its soothing effect to the soul of the visitor. The other important worth visiting places around Saputara are: a kilometer off, the Saputara-Waghai road leads to a vast clearing where the picturesque Gira Falls emerge from the Kapri tributary can be seen. An absolute must from June to November. Visitors can get refreshments from a small tea and snack stall. Picnic huts make it an ideal spot for relaxing. Easily the most marvelous sight during monsoons, the Girmal Falls is a little off the Mahal Sirgana road. The approach leads via a tribal village to a steep fall on the Gira river. The facing hillside is rich with rare flora and worth exploring by the more adventurous trekkers. Provision for light refreshments is also available. A large garden with 1400 varieties of plants from all over India. The amateur garden lover can marvel at different varieties of bamboo like Chinese bamboo, golden bamboo, beer, bottle bamboo, etc. and enjoy strolling around along with beautiful walkways, each lined with different species of trees. Visitors can also pick up the cactus plants and enjoy a picnic at a spot in the garden. Permission is required for entering this garden, and drinking and toiletry facilities are available. A typical Dangi village located about 1 kilometer off the Saputara-Waghai road near the Gira Falls. The route to it is somewhat tricky but very scenic as it is surrounded on all the sides by lush and tall bamboos. The tourist can take a walk in and around the village and also see some tribals engaged in making toys and lamps out of bamboo roots. The circuit has numerous wayside tea and biscuit stalls and some dhabas near Waghai. Purana Sanctuary is a vast and rich forest laced with the Purana and Gira rivers. The hilly region, with its cool interiors, would tempt any tourist to explore. You would need a pair of sturdy shoes and packed lunch to best explore the cool interior of this hilly forest. Less trainers and easy walks are pleasurable. Well, permission is required to enter this forest as well. It is a place of religious importance. The place situated 72 kilometers away from Saputara, was once visited by Lord Ram during his search for Sita. There he met the tribal lady who was his devotee, and there are stones on which Lord Ram, Lakshman, and Shabri were seated. They are preserved up till now and are considered very pious. Some other activities worth seeing. Cultural show at Ahwa. As the tourist heads back to Saputara, a halt at Ahwa to enjoy the fast-paced and acrobatic Dangi dance would be the best way to say goodbye to Dangs. The dance had been performed at the Festival of India in Paris, and it is one of the most entertaining dances of this region, held at the open-air theatre. Rangupvan highly recommended. An annual colorful tribal festival held prior to Holi at Ahwa. It's a 5-day fun-filled colorful affair where the tribals congregate to celebrate an old custom of political pensions given to the tribal kings. There is merrymaking, dance, music, color, and a brisk buying and selling of tribal wares. The tourists can participate and enjoy the festivities of this unique celebration.